What's up guys, and welcome back to our channel. In today's video I'm gonna show you how to stop auto renewal on Eharmony, so make sure to stay until the end of the video. But before we move on, it would mean a lot if you subscribe to our channel and hit that notification bell so you stay alerted whenever we post another video. So guys, how to stop auto renewal on Eharmony. So basically you paid for, let's say, a premium profile and it will be auto renewed on, let's say, a monthly basis or whatever. So how to stop that? So as you can see, in order to turn the automatic renewal feature, you can do it within the account. So how to do it? You can turn off your account automatic renewal feature, and by doing so, your subscription will expire at the end of its term. Keep in mind that once your subscription expires, you will lose the ability to read and write custom messages with matches and view their photos. So before turning it off, they ask you to consider giving their unique process the opportunity and time to work for you. For subscription purchased on the web, so basically, in order to turn the automatic renewal feature off, you can do so within your account's data and settings section by clicking the amend subscription link. If you want to do it through the Apple Store, they don't provide developers with direct access to manage subscription purchased through the Apple Store. All subscriptions purchased through Apple must be managed through your App Store subscription settings. They recommend reaching out to Apple directly. And if you are on Android, open Google Play. At the top right, tap on profile icon, tap payment and subscriptions, select subscriptions, select the subscription you want to cancel, tap cancel subscription, and follow the instructions. So basically that's it for today's video. Thank you for watching and see you in our next one. Goodbye.